What's going on, y'all? My Z Trip here with Trip Talk, and me and my family just actually got done with our first day of skiing. Now, why am I making this video? I'm actually making this video because I wanted to give a review to Kitlander, the company that we rented our ski clothes from. And first, before I do it, let me actually give a shout out to Sally. Let me also give a shout out to Tyler. Those were the two people I worked with over at Kitlander. And let me just tell you, every time I called when I needed something, they answered the phone right away. Every time I emailed when I needed something, they emailed me right back. Very great customer service. I have nothing bad to say about Sally, Tyler, or Kitlander. Really great company.
And another thing that's great about Kitlander
is that you can rent premium ski clothes at a very low price, a very low daily rate. You can rent North Face, Patagonia, Spider, etc. You name it. You can rent premium ski clothes at a low day rate. I think this North Face package only came for about $42 a day, which is really great. Now, the reason why this is really great is because me and my fiance, we have a 3-year-old son, and he's going to be growing and getting bigger and things like that. So one thing that was great about that is that we can rent his ski clothes. We don't have to pay top dollar for our own ski clothes, but we can rent premium ski clothes. And if he grows out of it, we can just ship it back, give it back, and then just go from there. So that's really good. You can rent these ski clothes if you wanted to try a certain brand out that you're not really sure about, because if you want to buy Patagonia straight from the store, if you want to own it yourself, I think it costs about $1,000 or a little bit more, maybe about $1,500 the last time I checked. So it's really great that you can rent these clothes for about $40 a day. Figure out what you really like. Do you like North Face? Do you like Patagonia? Do you like Spider? Kitlander gives you that opportunity to try out these clothes at, again, a low day rate, and then just put the clothes back in the box that they ship to you, and then the hotel that you're staying at or wherever you're staying at ships it back to them. So it's a very easy process. A lot of people that come on ski trips argue about the fact that they hate putting their ski clothes in a separate bag. It just makes for more money spent on luggage and checked bags. It makes for more space. It makes for more tiredness, getting tired carrying around all those clothes. So Kitlander is just very easy. They ship the clothes right to your door. You wear it for the duration of the trip. You put it back in the box and ship it right to them. So very easy process. You save a lot of money or keep a lot of money in your pocket, and you just go from there. Now, another thing I wanted to mention about Kitlander's customer service. When me and my family first got down here to Copper Mountain, there was actually a little bit of a mix-up. We kind of gave Kitlander the wrong address. Just looking on Copper Mountain's website, they don't really make it clear where to ship the clothing to. So anybody ever looking to come to Copper Mountain, make sure that you ship your Kitlander gear to 509 Copper Road. But back to the point, we actually had a little bit of a mix-up when we first got here, but to Kitlander's testament, what they did was they found out that we didn't have the right address. They repackaged up our order, and they shipped it out the same day at no extra cost with FedEx Express, and it ended up getting here the next morning at 10:30 a.m. You couldn't ask for better customer service. Things kind of got shaky in the beginning, but they took care of it right away, and then now we're on to enjoying our trip. So really can't speak enough about Kitlander's customer service. Sally, Tyler, and I bet the rest of them over there, really great on their feet and really helpful to the customer. They do everything that they possibly can to accommodate the customer, and that's what it's all about. You got to accommodate the customer. I'm in customer service myself, and so I know what it means to accommodate a customer. So if you are looking to go on a ski trip, snowboarding trip, anytime in the near future, you need to hit up Kitlander. You need to hit up Kitlander. You need to hit up Sally. You need to hit up Tyler, and that's just what it is. Now, as I close, I just wanted to say thank you to Kitlander. Thank you for all your vigilant work. Thank you for all the communication that you had with me leading up to this trip. Thank you for the gear. Me and my family are really enjoying this trip, and we're really enjoying this gear. And I must say again that if any of you guys are ever looking to go on any type of vacation or trip soon, whether it's snowboarding, skiing, mountain biking, hiking, whatever the case may be, make sure you choose Kitlander. Thank you guys again.